welcome to the Blue Snowball Ice unboxing. And this is a mic, and we're gonna be unboxing it, obviously, because this is an unboxing channel. Basically, right? Yeah. So this is like some streaming and all that other stuff, Discord, Streamlabs, whatever the fuck you want to use it for. Basically, we're gonna get right into it. Use our knife, and I'm gonna struggle opening this box like I always do, because I don't know, the engineer of these boxes is pretty odd. So basically, right, you just open this shit up, you pull that shit out, and you're introduced with a cable, which is a pretty nice cable, right? And then you're introduced to a stand that fits inside the stand hole of the mic, okay? And then you have your manuals that we're just gonna put to the side, and we're gonna get right into the main mic itself. The mic is basically like a football with a hole on the bottom. That's the initial impression. Okay, but we're gonna unwrap the ball. And once we get the ball out of the wrapping, it's basically like a ball with a port on the back and a hole on the bottom that's stuffed. Pause. Okay, a stuffed hole, and it also has a light on the top. And yeah, it's like a fucking baseball, right? Sized fucking mic. I'm gonna unstuff the mic and I'm gonna blur this out for all you sensitive people. And basically, right, there's the unstuffed hole and there's the mic, okay? The mic is just a baseball. Like, I don't know what to tell you, bro. It's just a baseball with a port in the back. We're gonna get right into the stand that fits into the hole that we just unplugged. Now, the stand is also an impenetrable fortress of packaging, which is very hard to open. Trust me, bro. Once we get the stand out, right? This stand is just a fucking 3-legged stand. I don't know what to tell you, bro. It's just a stand. Basically, right? You just open the legs up, pause, and you put it down. And basically, now we're gonna screw it in. But I'm gonna blur this out too, because you sensitive people. But once we plug that shit in, right? Screw that shit into the hole, the stand that fits into the stand hole. We're basically, it's like a normal mic. You can hold it, or you can freaking spread the legs out, pause, and put it down. Okay, that's basically it. Then you have this port, right? And this port is supposed to connect the mic. Now you guys will be fucked. Oh my god, this port, it connects the mic to your computer. There's no way, bro. Exactly, how is that even possible? But basically, right, you just unscrew the fucking cable collector, and once you unscrew the cable collector, now you have your cable that's uncollected, and basically, right, yeah, once you untangle your cable, you basically plug I don't know what this port's called, but it's a port, okay? It's a mic port. You basically plug the mic part of the port into the mic, and the other part into your computer, and your mic should work. And yeah, basically this is the Snowball whatever mic, Blue Ice mic. And yeah, now I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like on the setup. Okay, this is how it looks like on the setup, man. You got the blue mic, you got the monitor unboxing that we just did, and yeah, that's basically it, man. This is it. I'll see you guys inside the next one. Peace.